Hello, everyone, and welcome to another call, an awesome call at AAI Acquisition Alliance. I'm Anthony Ray, and wow, we are growing, guys. We are growing super fast, and the ones that are new, congratulations for uh, getting a head start, and also getting a head start to your future and your grandkids and your kids. Wow, this is a growing company. We are AAI Acquisition Alliance once again. $20 gets you in with the tuition. It's actually 23 with the processing fee. But you know what's so cool about this? It's only $23. And you get to learn a lot here. A lot here. You're going to earn while you learn. And you're going to do real estate. You're going to be learning about real estate. You're going to be learning about credit, which is very important that the banks love you guys, but bad credit, actually, bad credit. Um, Also, taxes. We're leaving a lot of money on the tax table, so we're going to teach you everything what needs to be done. Also, the people on probate court, people on probate, they want to get their money from their loved ones and they can't because they didn't write a will. We're going to be doing that for you. No, not for you. We're going to be teaching you that, what to do and not to do, guys. So we are super excited about what the school is going. And wow, let me talk about that compound interest that we're going to be doing for you. We're going to be investing that with the $23 to $10 of that. We're going to use a compound interest, guys. We're going to be investing in real estate and business acquisition. And let me tell you something. I never heard of a school that pays you to go to school because I didn't get any paid. I don't think Marcus did. He's going to be on the call right now. And we are going to roll that right back to you guys. Guys, you're going to have real estate here. You're going to have business acquisitions under your name. And I'm super excited to introduce this awesome man. He's my mentor, and he's an awesome trainer that I learn every single day, every time I look in the back office, and I can't wait to hear his voice on the call. Marcus, how you doing, Coach? What do you got for
Terrific.
us today?
Oh, terrific. Today is going to be some fast bullet training there on just using the back office so people just begin to grasp exactly how powerful of a tool that they have for, like you said, less than the price of a pizza special. You've got a lifetime of learning and tools to utilize to really help you grow any business online, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So, with that being said, hopefully, if you've got pen and paper, if this is your first time here, welcome. And we want to show you something that we know is going to definitely turn your online marketing business around now that you've found Acquisition Alliance. So we are a training school, not only of those things that Anthony mentioned, but also on how to market a business because, again, to grow multiple streams of income, you really have to have a skill set and the tools to be able to market different opportunities. So we've created a platform just for that and with something that's going to help you consolidate everything into one type of residual income with multiple streams called the money train. So obviously with the money train, you have a train and then you have a lot of different compartments and so forth that are following and connected to the train, and they all go in a single file line. And that's exactly where you're able to build a growing stream of income, all flowing in the same direction, working together. So one step I want to share with you, for those of you that have your capture pages activated, this is a stream of income that we have. It's a sustainable product because everyone always needs leads. Every business always needs leads. And we're going to be taking that up to the next level. Now that we've got a capture page system that allows you to make unlimited amount of capture pages for any business, even businesses that you're thinking about marketing. The first thing that you do before you market or go start a business is you do market research. And how do you do market research? You go out and see if there's a demand for your product. And that's exactly what this capture page system allows you to do. It allows you to go out and test the waters of different opportunities and things that are out there in order for you to see if, again, you can generate the right leads and activity in order to successfully promote that business. So when you're in the back office, again, this income stream called the capture pages, what it does is it's a $10 monthly charge for something that I normally have charged $59 a month for. We're giving a huge discount to the school. And people paid $59 for this tool without any type of reward or compensation plan. So it's just a huge benefit for this product to be available within the school for $10 a month, a $12 processing fee through authorize.net for the credit card. But we're giving you $5 of that $10 every single month, a referral. So every time someone renews the product for $10 a month, you get $5. So basically that's 50% off, and then every single person that you refer, that of course 2 people makes your product free, and then everything else is above profit for you. So we're making an income stream out of a very viable, necessary product in the marketplace. So let me show you a little more about it. Once you click on add a new page, that is going to take you to your 4 different editors. Now, you are in a training school, you're here for life, so it's going to be a continuous growth process. We have over 30, about 30 templates, exactly, I believe, maybe 31, already created and ready to roll out as we see people are understanding and digesting the basic foundation of using capture pages and generating leads. And then what we want to make sure that people are utilizing the training. You know, I've already done some support for people and ask questions. And what they did not do when they clicked here, they were so excited they just go start clicking on 1 through 4, is they didn't watch these videos. This is just a 7-minute video. That's not long. Watch your training on that. And then each time you click on a specific capture page, that capture page has videos for using that specific capture page. So here's 2 videos. Those 2 videos are going to show you how to utilize this area down here. So I definitely want to encourage you, step number 1 and step number 2 is watch the training videos. So that way you're not confused or frustrated because you just thought you could wing it. Okay, it's very simple. When you see it, it's going to be like, oh, I don't need to watch the videos. There's more tips and tricks on the video that I'm not covering here on this call. So again, even though it's very simple, as you'll see with this particular presentation, watch the video. So step number 1, all you have is simply a page name. So the page name, usually you want to make that, you know, the business that you're marketing or so forth. And so I'm just going to go through a sample here. And I'm going to look for any type of relaunch company 2019. And let's see if we can find a company name. All right. And I want to go pre-launch MLM. And let's do one of the hyper things that's growing now, CBD. So if you're thinking of getting into a MLM CBD company in 2019, the first thing you want to do is do some market research about that company. Okay, so there's some older ones, there's some newer ones that are around or so forth. So it's a growing business, as we know, that there may be a farm bill that makes all of this stuff become quite legal. I'm just going to grab a specific company here out of the blue, never heard of them. And I'm going to go see what they have for YouTube. Now, what you're seeing now is our public training. Those of you who are capture page members, we are developing a private training for those of you who are the subscribers, where we're going to teach you about SEO and how to get on the first pages of Google's for this. So this looks like a new one here. This guy's just put up this video about a week ago, and he's got 49 views. So I'm just going to pause this, and I'm going to, so if this person had sent me his video telling me how great this company's CBD oil is and how strong it is, what I do is to avoid the Facebook I'm sorry, YouTube commercials, the advertisements that you have to wait 15 seconds for. What you want to do is you want to grab what's called the embed code. All right, the embed code is what we're going to use a portion of. You don't ever want to just use this code. We don't allow that to work in our system. And you don't want to use this code. We don't allow that to work in our system. You want to go to share and you want to click on embed. And you want to take that code and you want to copy it into like Notepad so we can just grab a portion of it. Because we're only going to use the HTTPS address in between these first quotations. So it's the embed code, and then it's the, specific address of the video after that. That's all we need. We don't need the quotations. We don't need anything else. That is the only portion we need. I'm going to hit Control C on my keyboard. You can also hit, right click and copy. And we're going to take that back to our capture page area. So I'm going to go to capture page number 2, which is a YouTube video. So number 1 is just a picture form with no video. So when you click on that, that'll tell you sometimes you have companies that don't have a video yet, and you just need a form for people to register and some text to say, hey, get on my list for launch. That's kind of what a no video capture page is for. When people don't have information, they just have a conference call and they're just trying to get people to sign up. This is a way for you to be ahead of everybody else. I'm just going to click on that and show you that. And just click on that, go down to preview. So I can make a capture page. I can put some words on it. And the words that I put on the top area right here, I can change this picture. I like to use the launch picture, especially for launches. But I can put, sign up here to get on our list about the Isodol CBD oil launch or whatever. And so I can either go here where it says background images, and I just click on that, and then we have lots of images for you there. I'm just going to choose the launch, and now instantly I have that particular page, and I can promote a launch company. I can put words across the top here. I can put words here, and those are using the header text that's across the top and the main body text. So that's how you can take advantage of getting ahead of everybody else that does not have a way to, get leads and so forth for a company that's launching and doesn't have all their ducks in a row yet for you to, have a link. But we're using the YouTube video with Samsung, it says. So this is a video capture page. And again, you've got 3 training videos. Those training videos, again, not only show you that you need to grab the specific type of link to make the capture page work, but some other tips and tricks on how to use this form down below. So I'm going to look at where it says the video frame type and the video share URL. This is the main video. And I'm going to Control V or copy, paste, right click, paste that particular YouTube video into this area. Now, when I go down and hit preview, now I have hijacked that guy's isodiol, whatever you pronounce it. So imagine if this guy had sent me his YouTube video with 49 views on it saying, hey, check out my video on this new CBD oil company. And I take his video and put it in here and send it back to him and say, hey, I want to talk to you about how we can market this more effectively to better together. Fill out this form. And then let's have a conversation. Now you're getting his email and phone number. For his own company, he's happy to see himself in lights. He obviously doesn't have a system like this because he just sent you his video in Messenger or Skype or email, or however you had him send it to you when you met him, or he prospected you. So again, you can make that company better. Now, in our private training, I'm going to show you how you don't have to just use these particular pictures, you can actually go out on Google and type that company name again. And go to Google Images. We could actually take this logo and make it into like this right here, their products. We could take this page and make it the background for his capture page. So when he's looking at himself on the video, we could actually have a picture of his products on the capture page, excuse me, instead of the house. Those are going to be in the advanced and private training for the capture page members, but we basically would put the proper link here in that area to do so. Now, this, once we have a capture page saved, you go down here and you click save. Like I said, there's more things we can do on that page, but I'll have you watch the video. So with that particular page there, if you create one here, I don't think I gave it a name, did I? So I got to go back. And the same thing for the YouTube video that's there. This one is a bigger screen, and I'm going to show you that one next, but it works the same way for the video link. You take that particular link from the embed code. I'm right-clicking copy for C, and I'm pasting, and I'm previewing. And the same functions are available. We just have a different screen. And so we can, again, in the background, we can put the picture of his company logo and products, or we could go get the launch picture, whatever you want to put in that background for this particular capture page, we can do that. And they're all simply the same here. I put that, where you got to watch what you're doing. I put that video in the background area. And if you can see, when you erase everything, when it says background image, that means you've completely erased everything. If you have a little dot, you see the background, the little background image disappears, but you should see what says background image. That means you have nothing in there, and our default picture is in the background. So if you ever have that white screen or so forth, that just means you have the wrong thing in the back office. So there's our marketer right there with his CBD video. And there's the background default that we have the ability to put his products or pictures back there, or go to our library and grab our own background picture. We can kind of take a look at the picture just by clicking on view and see if, hey, that looks neat. I want to use that as the background, and then simply just hit select and instantly. So we have a very, very strong tool. You can pick different pictures. And I know a lot of people say, hey, you can't see the background. I want to see the background. No, you want people to watch your video, okay? You just want an appealing page, but you don't want them focusing on the picture. You want them focusing on your business. I know a lot of people are like, hey, can you move that over to the right? Or no, you don't want them looking at the house, folks. You want them looking at your opportunity. I know they're pretty and they're nice pictures, but they're there to just be eye appealing. Okay, so now we're going to do the right thing. We're going to put a title. I know I probably pronounced or spelled it wrong, but I'm going to hit save. And now this area called My Pages View, this is where your pages are stored. So there's my misspelling one, and these ones that don't have any names on those are ones that I made that I didn't title them. If you're ever in that position, you can simply go to Operation and you can click Edit. And when you see that, you can hit Preview and see exactly what page was this that I made that I forgot to put a name on. And that's that guy right there. So I'm going to call this one ISD2. And save that. And now in my pages view, these are the pages I have created. Now we've got that one titled and still one untitled one.